Today I have bittersweet news to share with you. We are saying goodbye to Laura Payne, who has been instrumental in helping both with the Oklahoma Gardening television show and the Botanic Gardens here at OSU. In fact, she started at the Gardens over 20 years ago as she was finishing up her undergraduate horticulture degree. Laura has been instrumental in developing a lot of programs both for the Botanic Garden and a lot of segments for Oklahoma Gardening as well. In fact, the success can be attributed to what she has done both with leading the ambassador program, the concerts, and the events at the Botanic Garden. Laura Payne has been instrumental in helping behind the scenes of Oklahoma Gardening, not only with the production and the lighting and the scheduling of our segments, but we've also coaxed her on this side of the camera on occasion, doing segments such as pool tools and hort tips. Before she gets too busy in her new role as the Payne County Horticulture Educator, we thought we would check in with her. Hello, Laura. We're not interrupting, are we?
Hey, Casey. How are you?
Good. We just thought we'd stop in and see how your new role is going as the Payne County Horticulture Educator.
Well, I have to say, so far so good.
So tell me a little bit about your role as a horticulture educator. How's it different?
Well, a lot of what I've been doing over the last 20 years at the Botanic Garden applies here at the Extension office. So I am answering horticulture questions. I am taking in soil samples and writing recommendations for that. I do site visits for people. And so it's kind of a lot of what I was doing at the garden, only in different setting.
All right. Well, also, let's talk a little bit about the bigger scope of Extension, because I know it's not just you. There's an office here of several educators and a lot of offices across the state.
So here in Oklahoma, we are very fortunate that we have an Extension office in all 77 counties. But we only have 7 horticulture representatives in the state of Oklahoma, and so I'm one of those that represent horticulture.
And you're an elite group with a horticulture educator, but you know, a lot of times there's other services that those other offices provide.
Right, and so that's where ag comes in, that's where 4-H comes in, that's where FCS comes in, and so we are the front line, or the front door, from the university to the community or the citizens of our counties. And then we are also the front door from the citizens of our county to the university.
Yeah, you're kind of that liaison between OSU and the communities. Well, I'm sure you're doing a great job in your role.
Well, thank you.
You work a lot with the Master Gardeners too, is that correct?
I do. We have a Master Gardener program here in our county, and they pretty much are running themselves right now. It's a great group of people that they help me with the horticulture side of what I do. And they also have a Tuesday garden series that they promote, and that's a free programming offered at the Greenhouse Learning Center on campus on Tuesdays, and you can check out their Facebook page for more information.
All right, well, we wouldn't put it past you to miss an opportunity to plug an event, as you've always done for the Botanic Gardens over the years. And what people may not know is that Laura and I have actually known each other for over 20 years. We were both working on our undergraduate degree in horticulture together, and we did a lot of studying together over those years. But I have to say that, Laura, even though we used to study together, it's you that have taught me so much over those years. And so I appreciate, and I've enjoyed the last 6 years coming to work and getting to work with one of my best friends. And so I'm going to miss that, but no tears. We're happy for you in your new role, and we're excited for you.
You can come see me here
Absolutely,
anytime.
Absolutely. You're just down the road from us here in Payne County. And so thank you for everything that you have done for Oklahoma Gardening and the Botanic Gardens, and continue to do for OSU Extension.
Thanks, Casey. It's been fun. If you want to enjoy some of your season's color, then before frost, you want to go out and harvest any of your flowers and take those indoors so you can enjoy the color inside. There are a few signs that let us know fall is just around the corner. The bulb catalogs are starting to arrive, so you want to place those orders so that you'll receive your bulbs in plenty of time to plant them this fall.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.